Hey there, Isaac. What are you doing? What you doing? Are you playing with the pots and pans? Are you saying ba ba ba? What you doing? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing, kiddo? What kind of toys do you have in there? Do you have some pans? Maybe? Isaac is learning that he can scoot everywhere on his butt. Hi. Hi there. You have a cute little mohawk going on. Oh, what did you find on the floor? Mommy needs to baby-proof, huh? Or at least maybe clean the floor. Hi! Hi! Yeah, can you talk? Ba, ba, ba. Hello. Is that funny? That is funny. All right, enough for now. Bye-bye, Isaac. Bye-bye.